Hey guys, today is November the 1st of 2015. I want to go over the dollar yen using price and time technical analysis, so please pause the video, read the video disclaimer. As you guys know, I have a community that I post some of my trading ideas, so feel free to swing by. It's on Google Plus on the community of Forex price and time technical analysis, and you can see that I post some of my ideas. The latest one was the New Zealand dollar. Did a good trade here. Before I did that, I got in too early. My timing was off and got stopped out. So I kind of post things in real time. So sometimes it works out, sometimes it not. So you see that I'm transparent on that. But I did get a good scalp. Got this in there, and it was an awesome trade. And we got other people posting ideas. One thing I do tell you is if you're gonna post anything here, post charts and your technical analysis, your thoughts. But no spamming, no marketing, none of that crap. I just want technical analysis. You want to market, go market somewhere else. So let's get to the charts. You can see that on the commitments of trader report on the dollar yen, it's important to see, what's going on money-wise. If you were here and you seen this pop right here, you would have known something is up after it's been consolidating so long. And look, you could have rode all this up just by looking at this signal right here. You probably would have gone long right there and rode all this, went sideways here and continue all the way up to here. So that's why I always look at the commitments of trader report, and that's just showing you as an example. So let's go into the daily, and let's go into 6 months and see what we got. This is where we at right here. And you can see that it looks like it wants to go higher. The last report, commercial are hedging, so they're going long in retail, and large speculators are shorting it. So it looks like it may want to go higher. So I just wanted to show you how these things are indicating something is brewing as of the last report of Tuesday, the October 27th. So let's look at what we got here. Let's look at the let's go over here. On the weekly, you can see that we're above the Kumo. You're kind of chopping around at the 50 on the weekly. You're below the 20, so short term is not too good, but within the time frame of the weekly, medium term is pretty good. It's above the cloud. The Chiku kind of caught up to it, so you're kind of like in chop zone right here. You can see that you've been consolidating, just going sideways for like, pretty much since August, and the whole month of September, and now we just got through September, and we got a PPS buy signal, so it pulled back. So I'm thinking maybe this thing wants to break out and go higher. Just by looking at the signals here, looking at the commitments of trader report. So it wants to maybe go higher, but you're going to have to deal with that top right here. You're going to have to deal with this kind of like long level right there. I need to change this color. Maybe change it to yellow or pink. Maybe red. Let's try yellow. So we need to pop out of there, deal with that 20, and go there. Looking at the daily, I want to show you that this is my mouse is acting up. Maybe need some cleaning here. There we go. As you can see from this low over here of like September 28th around there, all the way to the top, look at this strong level that has been chopping around. So it's been consolidating right here, just back and forth, just holding that 12.5% level. And if we add our monthly pivots, these are pivots on the monthly chart, or maybe not, maybe I missed them over here. Let's go back over here. If we hide this and put I think I have them on the weekly. Yeah. These are monthly pivots. As you can see that this is resistance right here, that 121.38, and that 122.18. It's going to be resistance if we do, break out from here. and from there then it's like open space. I mean, you might have one right here, but the major one will be here where it's chopping around. So I just wanted to show you that. I thought I had it on the daily. Oops, I think I'm going too fast here. Alright, so now we put our indicators on, and you can see that we're chopping around. This is pretty much a nice little kind of support resistance depending where it's at, and now it kind of like cracked through right there. It closed at 120.58, which is somewhere around here, but you know, it could bounce up. But the latest signal is we got PPS buy signal, but it's chopping around. But once it takes out this high right here of 121.49 and goes higher, this would probably be your next level of resistance. This little area right here. This little area right there will probably be a zone for it to like kind of pause a little bit. We go here. Let's see. You can see that it's got a nice pop up here, pull down. So it's kind of like chopping, but you take this out, it's right smack in the middle on the regression line. So it could pull, it could, you know, snap right back up. So I'm looking for this to, you know, continue going higher. And that's a 12-hour. Same thing here. Previous day range is a little negative, but you can see that the buyers are showing up right here, and kind of like sold off for Friday. But it's still holding this 50%. It's still on the week range, and on the monthly, it's still positive above the 50%. So it's chopping around here, but it looks like it wants to go higher. These would probably be the levels of resistance: 122, 122.37, and all the way to the 123. Looking at the big picture, this is it. You can see that it's still positive. It's losing momentum just because it's going sideways, but it's still bullish. And you can see right here, this is the signal that's telling me that it wants to. It's gotten out of the zone, and prices are ready maybe to go, unless it's a head fake and it wants to go back down. But you know, we'll see. But it looks like it wants to go higher. So I'm looking to see how the open happens today, Monday, and try to get in and maybe get a swing to the upside. Hope this video helps.